Sky Shadow, Korea's new stealth drone revealed. South Korea has showcased a new stealthy-shaped flying wing drone during a massive military parade in Seoul. This innovative drone could offer South Korea a more discreet method of conducting surveillance and reconnaissance missions. There's potential for this aircraft to engage in electronic warfare attacks, kinetic strikes, or even act as a kamikaze drone. The parade marked South Korea's 75th Armed Forces Day and displayed a range of military hardware. The drone design showcased resembles the cranked kite configuration seen on the X-47B, providing benefits in endurance and slower speed flight. While details about the drone's performance and capabilities are scarce, its size seems to be around 6 to 8 feet in length. Kim Jae-yeop, a senior researcher in South Korea, mentions that the drones are primarily for reconnaissance for now but could be improved for attack missions in the future. This drone design may be utilized to discreetly monitor North Korean activities around the Demilitarized Zone (DMZ), and could provide invaluable intel during conflicts. Apart from surveillance, these drones could potentially carry electronic warfare jammers or small munitions. There's also a possibility for the drones to serve as kamikaze drones depending on their cost. South Korea has been expanding its Drone Operations Command and is actively developing various drone technologies to enhance its defense capabilities against North Korea. The Korean peninsula has been witnessing increased military posturing and fiery rhetoric, heightening tensions in the region. North Korea has showcased its missile and potential nuclear weapons delivery capabilities. The United States and South Korea have deepened their relationship, including discussions on the potential use of U.S. nuclear weapons in response to North Korean threats. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol emphasizes that any North Korean provocation would be met with immediate retaliation and overwhelming response. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military, don't forget to subscribe.